So, Copycat recipe lovers, are you craving the Arby's pecan chicken salad sandwich? Well, you can make it at home with our Copycat recipe. I know they don't sell this all the time. It's on the menu seasonally, but guess what? It's going to be in your kitchen all the time now. Now, this recipe is easy to make. You're going to need some grilled chicken, crisp apples. You're going to toss this with a little bit of lemon juice. You're going to put it in a bowl and add in your grilled chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken if you want a shortcut and a little extra flavor. Juicy grapes, crunchy pecans, celery, and creamy mayonnaise. You are going to stir this all up together. Season it with a little bit of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. It's going to add a nice little punch to it. And what's next? You can create the sandwich. Toast some honey wheat bread, just like Arby's. Lay down some crisp lettuce and top with your chicken salad. And what's the result? It's a sandwich that's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and savory all at once. Pair with some chips or crust for those frozen curly fries from your freezer section for the full Arby's experience at home. Get the full recipe on our website and enjoy this market fresh favorite today.